Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you my workout routine and also what I eat in a day. For breakfast, I always start my day with like a green tea. At the moment, I've been loving green and jasmine tea. It's really good. Green tea is actually really good for you, so I really recommend having it before breakfast. And then for breakfast, I have been so extra with my breakfast recently. It's kind of like a known thing in my household for me to just be super extra in the morning with food. So this morning I had boiled eggs with avocado, tomatoes, smoked salmon, and I also just put it on a piece of toast. I don't really eat too much bread. It makes me feel kind of sick, but I just felt like I kind of needed it with this. This is honestly one of my favorite things to have at the moment. It is so good. Moving on to the workout, I decided to do one at home because honestly I prefer working out so much more at home than in the gym. So I start off with some stretches. I did TMI, but it was that time of the month and I had such bad stomach cramps, but they say that exercising helps, so decided to start off with a really easy exercise. This is scissor kicks and this really helps with your abs. I do 15 of these 3 times, like I have a break in between. It just really helps to tone up your abs. Like I said, it's a really easy exercise to start with. Then I do a plank. I usually do it for about 30 seconds. I try to keep as low as possible just so I am using as much muscle as possible. Then I did some hip raises. These exercises are actually really good for me because if I do ever put on weight, it's usually on my sides. This just helps to tone up like around my waist. Then I did some Russian twists. This is again a really good exercise for the same area. I do this for 30 seconds and then I lift my feet and do it again for another 30 seconds. It's just a little bit harder if you raise your legs. I did these reverse lifts and you basically put your foot up and then over and back again, and that is 1. So I do 30 of these on each side. This is really good for your butt and your thighs and your stomach. It's kind of like an all-rounder. This next exercise is really strange. It kind of looks like a dog peeing, but it helps with hip dips. I have those, so it's just to tone up that area. I feel like my positioning isn't perfect for doing squats. I don't really know. I'm not a professional. I'm just like doing this at home, but I like to do this for 1 minute. Obviously, squats are really good for your bum. Then to finish off, I do side planks and I do 30 seconds on each side. And then that is my home workout complete. Okay, so I know I just worked out this morning. I know that most of my meals have been healthy today, but I was so in the mood for pizza. So I got a pizza. Not long now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I ordered a pizza, not the healthiest, but you know, sometimes you have to treat yourself. I get like the thin base from Domino's and it's honestly the best thing. So when I got back, it was time for dinner. I went with something really light. I just had a chicken salad. This is lettuce, grilled chicken with onions and avocado, and it also had balsamic vinegar through it as well as a dressing. And I have been so obsessed with 13 Reasons Why Season 2 recently. If you guys are watching it, let me know down below what episode you're on. Please, no spoilers because I haven't finished it just yet. But I just sat, ate my dinner, watched this. I sat here for hours. I got so sucked in and just watched so many episodes. Let me know if you guys are watching it too. Then a couple hours later I had a snack, but I love how light it stays outside these days. It was about 9:30 when I had this, and this was just like a little Danish pastry and it had chocolate through it. Also, my dog comes running whenever he smells these, but they have chocolate in, so he couldn't have any. And that was pretty much it for the evening. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video.